am Dilmi Amasha Silva, the correspondent in Sri Lanka of a Pakistani-based YouTube channel named Around the Globe. Welcome to the enchanting world of Sri Lanka's 4 famous train routes, where breathtaking landscapes meet historical wonders.
Break it down.
1. Colombo to Galle route. Embark on an unforgettable journey along the mesmerizing Colombo to Galle route, where the allure of Sri Lanka unfolds before your eyes. 2. Anuradhapura to Jaffna. Embark on an extraordinary journey from Anuradhapura to Jaffna, tracing the cultural and historical tapestry of Sri Lanka. Travel through time as you pass ancient ruins, sacred temples, and vibrant villages steeped in tradition. Experience the enchanting beauty of the northern landscapes, where every mile is a testament to the island's rich heritage. 3. Colombo to Kandy train.
Break it down.
Welcome aboard the iconic Colombo to Kandy train route, where every turn unveils a story of a scenic wonder and our cultural marvels. Travel through emerald landscapes adorned with tea plantations, where misty hills embrace the horizon. Relish the rhythmic sway of the train as you journey towards Kandy, a city adorned with tradition and splendor.
Break it down.
Kandy to Badulla via Galle. Step aboard the enchanting train journey from Kandy to Badulla via Galle, where every twist and every turn reveals the untouched beauty of Sri Lanka's highlands. Pause at the charming town of Galle, where panoramic vistas and cool mountain air invite you to linger a while. Continue your adventures toward Badulla, immersing yourself in the tranquil ambience of valleys and tea estates. Discover the magic of the Kandy to Badulla route via Galle, where nature's splendor unfolds with every passing mile.